name's Duncan MacDonald. I live in Castlewood, Quebec. Learning quite a few subjects. There's maths, English, physics, Gaelic, boatbuilding and technical, and core PE and core RE.
I'm Donald McIsaac and I live in Lahaina in South Uist. My favourite subjects are technical and art, and I also do Gaelic and English, maths and chemistry, which are alright subjects but they're not exactly my favourite subjects. Boatbuilding, it's a really good subject that I really enjoy doing.
Come here twice a week for a couple of hours. We get the bus from the school and we'll just spend some time here working the boats. It's quite good.
We do boatbuilding 2 times a week. We come down on a Monday and on a Wednesday.
Been on the course for nearly 2 years, I think it was. Started in third year. Was second year, third year I think it was. And just been coming here and working the boats. Quite good. But it's quite enjoy it.
We get taught how to do different stages of the boats. We start off by getting shown what to do for the day, and then when we get shown what to do, we do it for ourselves.
First of all, we made traditional clamps out of oak, and then we started on the keel for the boat and the half flaps on the stem and the stern post, which is quite good. Then from then on we worked on the rebates and the first planks, and then worked on, that was it.
Well, when I leave school, I'm hoping on leaving school at Christmas hopefully, and then doing a plant operator course, working with diggers, and then a little bit on in the future when I'm older I'd like to drive lorries around and about. It'd be quite good, stuff like that, yeah.
I'm actually working here with Ronald and John on Saturdays, so that way I am kind of taking it on, learning some more skills with the over at the boat shed, so it's quite good, yeah, quite enjoy it.
I'm not too sure if I'd be doing a lot of boats, but I enjoy doing fly fishing, so I'd quite enjoy fixing boats for the wee logs. I'm in the South Uist Angling Club, and they've got boats and they sometimes repair it, so my skills might come in handy then. I'm
not too sure about doing boat building, but I'd like to go into joinery, so it kind of ties in with what I'm doing here, but it'd be quite good to have. Yeah.
Great. I've enjoyed it very much. It's a really good course. I'd recommend it completely to other people.